Yo, what's good, people? We back at it again, and yeah, I'll lie, bruh. There's been some crazy shit happening during the weekend. You get what I'm saying? Some beef started out of the blue, but yeah, we're gonna break it down. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna break it down. But for now, we need to check out ASAPH Africa's new song, which is Bhuru Shaka Zulu, okay, featuring the Dawg and Briza. The reason why I'm checking this one out specifically first is because Boynino released, I don't know, Boynino tweeted some shit. I was like, nah, these niggas don't respect the art. They're releasing some Cape Cod videos. I'm like, yeah, what do you mean, bruh? I don't know what's wrong with Cape Cod, bruh. We use Cape Cod, so what? Okay. That was a short to us, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Hey, Cape Cod is helping us. But nah, he's like these niggas are releasing Cape Cod videos, like as in music videos using Cape Cods. So that we don't want that because they say the quality is ass. You're making blues like seem like we're not catching up with the culture. Don't do any some shit along those lines. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I wanna see the Cape Cod video and see what's happening with it. You feel me? I wanna see how it actually looks. Okay, let's see. ASAPH Africa, Bhuru Shaka Zulu, featuring the Dawg and Briza. Okay. It's been a minute since we heard from Briza, bruh. Should drop some shit. We need Insinzimbi part 2, baba. Alright, let's see. ASAPH Africa. How long has this shit been out? Let me see. Oh, 4 days. Alright. Let me go up. Alright, let's go full screen. Bhuru Shaka Zulu. I wonder what this is about though. Okay, beat. Briza Baba. Come on. Come on. Hey. Come on. Ilafami movie. Last time what Ilafami ASAPH. What is it? I'm on the screens. What did he say? He's always talking about Ilafami. No, he said Ilafami film. Ngatumzansi for sure. It's all in black and white. You're gonna team a pose. Yeah, that's what he said last time. Nah, niggas always say his life's a movie. Come on, boy. What are you calling his life in? Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Utakalisa mu Briza. Utakalisa guys lonke utomhlathe mu Briza. Hey guys, hey, tunasingama number 1 instigator baba. Vele sizama Simba. But shout out the boy, he carried. Asizovanje. Who's on the hook? Is this the Dawg? What are Bhurus? A Bhuru. This nigga was oh, Bhuru is a currency. One Bhuru. I couldn't. I signed please don't be released. What? Imagine anything. 20 Bhuru. No, please. Come on. Okay? ASAPH.
Bhuru Shaka Zulu, rapper from the bird, but with national in Chirungu, no
Rapper from the birds, but with natural it's a lungu. What the hell did this nigga say? Chirungu, what? Hey, because I'm Jama Pai, Shon and says on Nangosa, Massive, reverse on the ASAPH. Come on.
Bhuru Shaka Zulu, rapper from the bird, but with national in Chirungu, no
natural in Chirungu, no Kalanga, no. Okay, I'm confused, but the rhyme scheme is rhyming. Let's go. Let's play it again.
Chirungu, no Karanga, no Zulu, just answer fully bumbula. They didn't walk the flow, they love more like I was too. Yeah, cold. It's my legends are cold. She buys out, just scroll. You're sticking yourself too old.
Come on.
Damn, Calvin told me when the king was over, he done, but I'm all else was over there.
Come on, R.I.P. Calvin, boy. That was the one nigga Brian Blues that was taking over. Fuck. But now ASAPH is here, bruh. Do it, boy. Do it for us. Come on.
So I put it down for the new wave and the soulful culture party. I know the bookings, Dr. Todd, that's pretty fine, my wife. Damn, just give me another big bag. Rap king, yeah, did that. Wife bad, we did that. Damn,
Burning as a guy Shaka Zulu. Oh! Drip! Hey! Come on! Shaka Zulu, come on! Okay. So he kept convicted. Okay, I'm gonna say this, bruh. The song's a calm little track. I fuck with it. You get what I'm saying? I fuck with it. The visuals, they're okay, bruh. They're okay. Okay, I think what he's talking about is you see what they do with music videos, right? They'll shoot them properly, and then we file an edit just to make things smoother. I think that's all that they're lacking. Nothing else, bruh. Nothing else. It's a calm little video, get what I'm saying? Disrespect that music video. Oh my god. What does it need? Like more? I don't know, bruh. Because it looks like okay, when you look at the okay, maybe quality wise, I don't know, but what the nigga's trying to say. Like if you're comparing quality, okay, let's not even go to SA. Let's compare with H-Town. Hey brother, those guys. Okay, yeah, maybe I see what he's saying with that, but like, you get what I'm saying, bruh? Do what you gotta do, bruh. If the music is dope, bruh, the video won't really mean much. I came to see it, bruh. We've seen it all around, bruh. Niggas will be having like fire ass songs, bruh. You just release some normalized videos, you still do numbers. Then a nigga with the whack song will be having like crazy quality on the shit, the baddest cars, baddest bitches, but the song still ass. You get what I'm saying? So now, if the song is nah first, then that's all we can look at first. You hear me? I didn't say fuck the quality of the video though. I said if the song is good on its own, bruh, people might overlook the quality and whatnot because the song is what they're here for and it slaps. You get what I'm saying? But now there is room for improvement, of course, quality wise and whatnot. But hey, bruh, it's really it's not that deep. You feel me? But nah, guys. Anyways, we out.